Annyeonghaseyo. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of culinary delights. Today, we're taking a delightful journey into the heart of Korea to discover the secrets of an iconic dish, Dakgalbi. But wait, there's more to this popular Korean delicacy than meets the eye. Join me as we uncover some unknown facts about Dakgalbi that will surely leave you surprised. Let's get started. Dakgalbi dates back to the 1960s in Chuncheon, South Korea. It was originally created as a humble dish using inexpensive ingredients like chicken, cabbage, and sweet potatoes. The dish's name, Dakgalbi, is a combination of dak, meaning chicken, and galbi, meaning rib. The dish became so beloved that it spread like wildfire across the country. What gives Dakgalbi its signature taste is the spicy red sauce, made from a blend of Gochujang Korean chili paste, soy sauce, garlic, ginger, and other secret ingredients. The sauce is what sets Dakgalbi apart from other chicken dishes, and it's incredibly addictive. Though traditionally made with chicken, Dakgalbi has evolved over the years to cater to various tastes. You can now find Dakgalbi with beef, pork, seafood, or even a vegetarian version using tofu or mushrooms. This versatility has made it an all-time favorite for everyone. To cook Dakgalbi to perfection, the stir-frying technique is key. The ingredients are all added to a large hot pan, and the chef skillfully stirs and flips them using long paddles, ensuring even distribution of the delicious sauce and flavors. It's a mesmerizing sight to see. For a truly authentic experience, Dakgalbi is often paired with makgeolli, a traditional Korean rice wine. The sweet and tangy notes of makgeolli complement the spiciness of Dakgalbi, creating an unforgettable taste sensation. In Korea, dining is an integral part of socializing, and Dakgalbi plays a significant role in fostering camaraderie. It's a common sight to see friends and family gathering around a sizzling Dakgalbi grill, enjoying the food in each other's company. It's a heartwarming tradition. Korean cuisine has gained immense popularity worldwide, and Dakgalbi is no exception. From Tokyo to New York City, you'll find Korean restaurants serving this delightful dish. It's truly amazing how Dakgalbi has made its mark across the globe. There you have it, the intriguing and lesser-known facts about Korean Dakgalbi. Whether you're a food enthusiast or just curious about different cultures, Dakgalbi is a must-try dish that promises a burst of flavors and a glimpse into Korean culinary heritage. Thank you for joining me on this delicious adventure. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting food explorations. Annyeong.